On November 4, 1966, Florence faced a devastating flood as the Arno River overflowed its banks, inundating the city with muddy waters. Within hours, the streets transformed into swirling torrents, submerging priceless artworks and historic buildings. The rising water reached up to 6 meters, causing extensive damage to the city's artistic heritage, including the renowned Uffizi Gallery. As the waters receded, volunteers poured into Florence, forming a heroic network of mud angels to salvage what they could. This disaster not only reshaped the landscape but also ignited a global conversation about the preservation of cultural heritage. The scars remain, reminding us of nature's power and the resilience of humanity.